Hi, hello, this is Panir. In this video, we are going to see about scientific writer of pharmacy. To be a scientific writer, what you need to know, I will see one by one. Under this heading, we are going to cover the following contents that are subjects, what you need, skills, what you need, qualification, what you need to be a scientific writer. In addition, we are going to brief about International Committee for Harmonization, that is ICH. To be a scientific writer, what are the subjects you have to be thorough? In which subject you need strong knowledge that are human anatomy and physiology, community pharmacy, hospital pharmacy, clinical pharmacy, and clinical research. These are all the core subjects you have to be thorough to be a scientific writer. What are the skills you need to develop to be a scientific writer? First of all, you are in the position to interpret statistically analyzed clinical research data, and you must deliver the written assignments based on or backup of clinical research. In addition, you must develop a ability to understand the importance of International Committee for Harmonization guidelines and good clinical practice guidelines. Moreover, you must possess good working knowledge of statistical principles used in clinical research. These are all the skills you have to develop to be a scientific writer. If you are having the subject knowledge of the following, the skills of the following, with that, if you are approaching any of the scientific writer interview, it's very easy to get through. So, what qualification you need to be a scientific writer? Form D or M Form qualification. In addition, if you are having 2 years of writing experience in industrial background, then you are the right person. You have no problem. You will get the job. What is the expected salary to this job? Around 25,000 to 30,000 is a salary. In this, we need to understand, we need to know how to practice this International Committee for Harmonization guidelines. We'll see the explanation of that. First of all, what is this ICH? ICH is mainly meant to discuss scientific and technical aspects of pharmaceutical drugs, and it meant to ensure that safe, effective, and high quality medicines are developed and registered and maintained in the most of the resource efficient manner with meeting high standards. These are all the core points why they have developed this ICH. This ICH is having the guidelines of quality, safety, efficacy, and multidisciplinary. Out of these four guidelines, you can take this efficacy. You have to concentrate on these efficacy guidelines because in this efficacy guidelines, number E6 talks about good clinical practice. What is this good clinical practice? What and all you are having under this good clinical practice in the sense? In these guidelines, there are around 66 pages. It deals about number one, guidelines for adverse drug reaction. guidelines for the principles of ICH, GCP, and institutional review board and independent ethics committee, how it's functioning, how the investigation done by the investigator, who are all the sponsor for this, finally investigator approaches. These are all the six content you can see under the guidelines. You have to be thorough with this all the guidelines, how you can deal adverse reaction, mainly how you can do the good clinical practice. If you are having this knowledge, ICH guidelines, knowledge about efficacy, especially good clinical practice, you can easily be a scientific writer. This is all about scientific writer. I hope this video is useful and you can easily crack scientific writer job if you have this basic idea. I feel that video is useful especially for Form D students. I hope this video is useful. That is the case. I would like to ask you that subscribe my channel and share this video who are all really in need to be a scientific writer. Thanks for watching.